So I'm here to reveal to you how I was able to turn $100 into $1,000 within 30 days. And you also can, okay? So here you don't need any chart patterns, you don't need any candlestick patterns or any technical analysis. The strategy is simple, clear, and well proven, okay? So when you look at the screen, you can see that the strategy is having only one indicator, okay, and that's a red line and this green line, okay. When you get this red line below the green line, it is a sell signal or what we call a bearish signal, and when we get the red line above the green line, it is a bullish signal, okay. So the strategy has only one indicator and it's quite easy to follow, okay. So for the buy entry rules, what we do is very simple. We wait for the indicator to give us a buy signal, and that is when we get this arrow up, or that is when the red line is above the green line. Okay, so here we confirm it as a bullish signal or a buy entry. Okay, so what we do is we place a buy stop order a few pips above the signal candle, the candle that triggered the cross or that triggered the that this arrow to appear. Okay, so you put your buy stop order a few pips above that signal candle, and then you place a stop loss order 1.5 of the ATR value, the ATR right here, ATR value from the entry point. Okay, then you place take profit at 3 times of the ATR, or you place it at the next level of resistance. Okay, so that is very simple for the bullish entry rules. So after placing your order, and then you wait for trade management, get maximum profits. So when you get a signal, place a buy stop order. We don't use market orders. And then you place stop loss 1.5 ATR, and then you place your first take profit at at the next level of resistance or at 3 times of the ATR. Then for the rest of the trade, you just manage it using what we call the trailing stop loss. Okay, that is for the bullish entry rules. For the bearish or sell entry rules, what we do is quite the opposite of the previous. We wait for indicator to give us a sell signal. That is when this red line is below the green line, or when you get this arrow down. Okay, so you place a sell stop order. Okay, after getting this bearish signal, you place a sell stop order below this candle, which is the signal candle. Okay, and then you place your stop loss at 1.5 of the ATR from the entry point. So for example, right over here, you follow this ATR, okay? And then you place a take profit at the next level of support or at 3 times of the ATR indicator, okay? And then you do what we call the trade management to get maximum profits. It's quite simple, okay? So for bearish entry rules, you just get a signal after getting this arrow down. You place a sell stop order. We don't use market orders. Put a stop loss 1.5 of the ATR from the entry point, and then you place your take profit at the next level of support, for example, right here, and then or sometimes you place your take profit at 3 times of the ATR indicator. Okay, so for the remaining trade, you just manage it using what we call the trailing stop loss. As simple as that. So after understanding this, okay, it is quite simple. After understanding this, there is more that is needed. That is not enough. So that is enough already to turn you $100 into $1,000 within a couple of days. Okay, so if that is not possible for you, at one way or the other, you're going to be in a profit margin. Okay, so you need the advanced course, and this advanced course is going to reveal to you what we call the advanced trade management strategies. It will reveal the mastering professional technical analysis, and then this account management systems, and then professional psychology of winning traders, because these four will help you to be able to do it consistently. Okay, so what you're going to do, you get the advanced course when you are already working, okay, when you're already making money from the previous simple strategy. So how do I get this? Okay, for you to get started is quite simple. You just need to open up this link. The link is also in the description, or you can copy and paste it into your browser. It's right here. you can see this is a link to my website where you can download this ebook, and then you get a strategy fully. And then after that, you will know what the indicator is and how to use it and how to set up the entries and how to manage them. Okay. And then you'll also get access to me. Okay. You'll be able to text me or email me and then be able to get in touch with me so I can help you to do it. Okay. So you go to my website or you just copy this link, or you can go to Amazon to get a book by copying this link. Okay. So when you get a book, you have extra benefits. You have a one-on-one coaching, okay, for you to be able to understand the strategy very well. And then you have a strategy. The strategy is 70 to 100% win rate. You have 1 month live support so that you can be able to recover the money used to buy the book. And then you have a discount on the trading upgrade. That is when you're getting the advanced course. And then you can be able to get a money back guarantee in case you feel like these things are not working for you. So as simple as that. So you go to my website, you get a book. This is a link to my website, or you can get it from Amazon. Okay. So when you get this, we can be able to get in touch. The book has a way of connecting to me, and then we can be able to work together. So thank you so much. See you and success in your trading.